Scene 1. At home. Ravi is sitting on a chair, glued to his phone, scrolling endlessly. His mom walks in.
Ravi, you have been on that phone all day. Have you even considered doing your homework?
Just 5 more minutes, Mom. I am almost done with this game.
That's what you said an hour ago. Come on, that's enough. Put that phone down.
Ravi continues scrolling. His mom sighs and walks away.
Oh, this boy never listens to me.
Don't listen to her, Ravi. You don't need anything else. Stay with me. Look, a new video, another game level.
Yeah, just one more video. What could go wrong?
Scene 2. At school. Ravi is sitting in class, but his mind is still on the phone. Anya, sitting beside him, notices this.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. Please sit down.
Ravi is lost, daydreaming about his phone.
All right, class. Who can tell me the answer to this math problem? Ravi, focus.
I can't stop thinking about this game. I almost beat the level last night.
Ravi, can you tell us the answer?
The answer is...
Ravi, if you don't pay attention, you won't be able to achieve anything in life. Don't let a phone control you.
The phone's voice appears in Ravi's mind.
Don't worry, Ravi. You don't need to study. I'm your best friend. I'll keep you entertained forever.
Scene 3. After school. Ravi and Anya are walking home. Anya is worried about Ravi.
Ravi, you have been so distracted lately. You're always on your phone. It's like you are a different person.
But it is fun. What's the harm?
Oh, yeah. Who needs sleep or grades or real friends, right? Just keep scrolling forever.
Ravi thinks for a moment. He starts to realize that his phone is taking over his life.
Maybe you are right. I haven't finished my homework in nowadays and I haven't gone to play outside.
Scene 4. At home. Ravi sits on his desk, staring at his phone. The phone's voice comes again.
Come on, Ravi. Just one more game. One more video. You don't need to change.
No, I do need to change. You are not controlling my life anymore.
Ravi turns off his phone and walks outside to play. His mom smiles, proud of him.
I saw what you just did, Ravi. That's some nice progress. I'm proud of you. That's like my boy.
Final scene at school again. Ravi, now more focused, answers the teacher's question confidently. Anya gives him a thumbs up.
Ravi, what's the square of 5?
25.
Well done, Ravi. See what happens when you focus on what really matters? You can achieve anything.
Yeah, it feels great to be in control again.
And don't forget, real life is more fun than the screen.
So now you know the moral of the play. Phones are useful but can become a trap if we let them control our lives. It's important to strike a balance and focus on the things that truly matter: friends, family, and learning.